Hi, it's Roni, and welcome to my channel and to the Scrap 5 Challenge. That's where we have 5 items we have to use on our layout. And this month it's stars, wood veneer, acrylic paint, thread or twine, and a 3-word title. So I am going to be using Chamel's Never Grow Up, I believe. I believe that's what it is. I'm not 100% sure on the paper. I might have used Field Trip paper. I might have. Yeah, I think that is from Field Trip. And I'm scrapping a picture of my grandson and my nephew. And this is the one where we went to the park and they were exploring and hunting fossils. So I thought it'd be a good idea to use the dinosaur on here. I have some more of those pictures too, so I will be using them again. I only pulled these 2 papers. Well, that scrap down there, the green too. And see that strip laying there with the stars? I really wanted to use it, but it wasn't seeming to work for me. So it is not going to go on there. But that would have made stars for my layout. And yeah, it's in a second you'll see me put it up there and I will change my mind. I'm going to double mat my picture in white and in the blue. And yeah, it's going to go towards the bottom of my layout. I have to make a 3-word title, not 2-word. I have that wood veneer there with 2 words. So I spent a good while trying to figure out a title that would have just one more word because I had to have wood veneer and I had to have acrylic paint. And so this is my wood veneer with gesso on it, and I used white gesso, and there's my white acrylic paint. So I'm going to cover it with that, so I'll have the wood veneer and the acrylic paint right there together and done. But it's going to leave me still thinking about what to make for the other word of my title, because it is a 3-word title. I wish it said 3 words or more, because y'all know I like long titles. It would have been so much easier. But I had to think of something and have a picture to go with it. And that's what took me the longest, was figuring out what to do for a 3-word title and have all these items too. I had to think of a layout that I could have all these items. I'm going to put some banners up here in the right-hand corner. See that little square right there? It's got dinosaur footprints on it, and it says dinosaurs and has the different ones. And I thought, I have to use this on my layout. And I thought, where am I going to put it? And then I decided I'd just make banners up at the top and put it up there with it. Most of the banners are branding strips that are off the paper pad, and I do not know if they're Field Trip or if they are Never Grow Up. I'm not sure which one is which. I have them all in the same container, my Chamel container. Everything seems to go together eventually anyway on there, so I figured I might as well just throw it in there. I just don't know what I'm going to do when I can't buy Chamel anymore. And see that label there? I think I'm just going to lay it down there with my banners. I like it. And so, yeah, I put it down there. Didn't put no words on it, no nothing. I just put it there just because I liked it. I'm backing that little card there with some blue. I laid it down for a split second. It wasn't long at all. And decided it needed something to distinguish it from all those other colors underneath it. And so I just got the blue and framed it and matted it or whatever, just so it would show up better. And I was looking for some greenery and I found this one and I really liked it. It kind of reminds me of something in the ocean though. But, well, it'll definitely go with my jungle over there on the left-hand side. So I'm putting it there, and then I'm putting my favorite dinosaur that I fussy cut. I fussy cut a whole sheet out, and see them down there in that bowl? That whole sheet is in that bowl. It's amazing where all that sheet goes to. I mean, it was 12 by 12 piece of paper, and there it is down in that bowl. But yeah, this is my first one using out of there. I always liked Littlefoot, that cartoon. My grandson loved it and played it over and over. And I thought, well, at least it's not a cartoon I don't like. So I did like that one. And see that Great Day? I loved the way it fit in there. I thought, but I got to have 3 words in my title. So I'm going to put Great Day Exploring. Yeah. And so it's not going to be tucked down in there. And I thought, I got to have it tucked some way. So I got that greenery out and looked at it. And here's this right here. I thought I was never going to use it on a layout. I thought, it's really a weird shape. How am I going to use it on the layout? Well, because I wanted something to kind of curve into my Great Day, just because it looks so good down there by the picture. I'm using it right here, and I'm happy with it. Yeah, even though I thought, where am I ever going to use something that shape? But yeah, life is a daring adventure. And that's not part of my title. I have my 3-word title. I was just looking for something that would fit in there. I really thought it'd be greenery, though. But it's not. I seen this piece laying over there, and it was arrows. And I thought, well, I could go ahead and throw it on my banner. And I have arrows pointing down on one and arrows pointing up on the other. So I've got both pieces of that branding strip on there. And I think I have both pieces of the green polka dot. No, it's green. No, they're not both pieces. One is green arrow looking things that kind of sort of remind me of footprints. And the other one's a green polka dot. So no, they aren't two of the same. And see that circle there? I backed it in blue while I was busy rattling on. And he's kind of bending over, and I just kind of put it in the curve of his legs. I thought, how cool is that? I get to nestle something else. But I had to add some more greenery, so I'm adding this piece right here. And I'm putting foam tape on 3 of the leaves so that they'll stand up, and then the other one's just stuck down plain. And I pulled out another little branch. It's orange branch. I didn't fussy cut around it because I don't mind the white on the white. And I went ahead and I left it. But I did do some stars. I got my punch out and I made some stars. And look at me. Watch me really close right now. I am going to put one more star on. Then I'm going to start to take that one off because it reminded me of Kelsey's flamingo when, she put a spray or something in the back of hers. And I got to move that. No, she left hers. I'm going to go ahead and leave mine. I can't believe I put the stars there on the rear end of the dinosaur, but I did. So they're staying, and it wasn't coming up very good anyway when I was trying to tug on it. Twine was another thing, twine or thread. And I did think about adding thread, but I really love twine, and I'm always telling myself I need to use it more. I've got so much of it. So it's going to be twine. And when I have twine, I like to kind of twirl it around through my page. Y'all know that. So that's what I'm doing. I started to do the yellow. I had it in my hand and everything, and it just didn't seem to go. It wasn't like I thought there would be enough. There's like tiny shades of green that's almost yellow in here. And I thought it'd be enough to go with it, but no, it didn't. So I thought, well, I might as well do the blue. So I'm doing the blue, and I think that's it. I think once I get the blue strung through there, I'll be done. But be sure to check out everybody's link down there below and see what they did with the 5 items. And, I mean, it'll be lots of inspiration and fun. If y'all decide you want to do it, tag us on it. If you do it on Instagram, do hashtag Scrap5. Yeah, hashtag Scrap5. I'll have it down there in the bottom anyway, in case I don't have it right, but I think I have it right. But yeah, hashtag Scrap5. And of course, you can tag us on Facebook if you do something. But yeah, the Scrappy Sisters picked out these 5 items this month. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. Check out the links down there below. And if you leave a comment, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who are, thank you so much. But did you see me lose my X in there? I never did find it. It was gone for a little while. I had to get another one off the sheet. No telling where that went. I'm going to have to play the video back and watch for it. But I hope y'all have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.